Dave app denial usually happens when the system can't clearly verify your bank account, doesn't see stable income deposits, or doesn't have enough transaction history to approve cash advance access. By the end of this, you'll understand the exact reasons Dave denies applications and what you can change to improve your chances next time. Start with bank connection issues. Dave needs a fully synced bank account to read your financial data. If the connection fails, stays incomplete, or keeps disconnecting, the system can't verify your information, which leads to denial. Now look at income patterns. Dave looks for recurring deposits that show a predictable income cycle. If your income is irregular, inconsistent, or hard to identify, the system may not approve you because repayment risk is unclear. Next, check transaction history. The app relies on recent banking activity to understand how your money moves. A new bank account or one with very limited transactions often leads to denial because there isn't enough data to evaluate. Now focus on direct deposits. Regular payroll deposits are one of the strongest signals the system uses. Without them, approval is less likely, or may be delayed until more financial patterns are visible. Next, look at account balance behavior. If your balance frequently drops very low or fluctuates heavily, the system may classify your account as unstable. That can increase the chance of denial because repayment risk is harder to predict. Now, check identity matching. Dave verifies your identity using your bank details, and mismatches between your profile and bank account can trigger denial. Even small differences in names or information can affect approval. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks don't sync smoothly with third-party apps, which can limit how much financial data Dave can access. If your bank connection is restricted, approval becomes harder. Now look at setup completion. Incomplete applications or interrupted onboarding sessions can stop the system from fully reviewing your data. That often results in automatic denial or delayed eligibility. Finally, understand automated decisioning. Dave uses system-based approval, which means your data has to clearly show stable income and activity patterns before access is granted. If the system can't confidently categorize your financial behavior, it will deny the request. To sum it up, Dave app denial usually comes down to three things: unstable or unclear income, limited banking history, or a weak bank connection that doesn't give the system enough data to work with. Next step is simple. Make sure your bank account is fully linked, your deposits are consistent and visible, and your profile details match your bank exactly before reapplying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app fixes, approval tips and clear breakdowns that help you get approved faster.